You would have used array like this. Like this. And like this too. But in this new version 5.0, you could use array like never before, and it's game-changing. Let's dive into the video. Today we are going to learn how to use the array modifier in a circular and curved path. Let's arrange these columns in a circular path using the array modifier. Select the object, press Ctrl+A, and choose All Transforms. Now go to the Modifier tab. Press Add Modifier, Generate, Array Modifier. You see the type is line, as you already know how to use. We'll go to Circle type. Increase the count, you can see the columns increase in the circular path. Wonderful, right? I'm glad they introduced this type. You can also change the radius of the circular arrangement. You can check out the Align Rotation option. It controls how the object is aligned along a specific axis. Next, let's move on to the Randomize option. As you already know, it allows you to randomize the object in various ways according to your preferences. Offsets in X, Y, Z directions and rotations in all three directions, resizing, and flipping them, you name it. Pretty much everything you can do with the object. You can also merge the object with this merge option. It helps you in rare cases. I tried to do an animation recently and it helped me a lot. Now let's move on to the curve array. I love this array a lot because it helps you to get your object on a more random path. All you need is a curve. Let's check this out. Start by selecting the object we are going to put in the curved path. I chose this star. Let's resize it. It looks pretty big for the arch. Press Ctrl+A and select Scale and Rotation. Now select the arch, go to Edit Mode, press Ctrl+R to create a single loop cut. This is where our star is going to be placed. Pretty cool, right? I'm just making this video for this tutorial. It's not like I'm going to build something out of it. Who knows, maybe I'll save and use it in the future. Sorry, let's get back to the tutorial. Where were we? Yeah, the loop cut. Now select the loop cut and press P, and choose the selection option. Now it's separated. Let's convert it to a curve. Right-click it, choose Convert Curve. Bam! The loop cut is converted into a curve. So now we have a curve, the process is half done. All we have to do is place the star on the curve. First, let's change the name to Curve so it'll be easy while choosing it. Now, same as before, select the star, go to the Modifier tab, Generate Array Modifier. Now in the Shape tab, choose the Curve option. Now the object vanishes. I seriously don't know why, don't ask me, but I know how to get it back. Let's do this. Now under the Curve Object tab, select the tool, go to the curve, and select it. Bam! You see the star appears again on the curve. Cool, right? Now all we have to do is increase the number of stars. It's pretty simple, like the old days. Go to Count and increase it. See? Pretty, right? Not gonna lie, this looks good. Okay, straight to the topic. Let's unselect the Align Rotation so the stars sit straight. Not like how we used to sit late at night during our school days trying to learn the last chapter for the next day's exam. God, I need to stick to the topic. Let's resize the stars so that they fit right into the arch. That looks good. Let's play with the count. You can also use the distance option to separate the stars based on the distance that you can change in the Below Distance tab. You can see the Align Rotation option changes the way the stars look. You can use it if you want. You also have the Randomize option like before. You can try different types of it, like randomizing it on different axes, shapes, and everything as you wish. You can also use the merge option like before. See, that's it, Pretty cool, right? Personally, I love this circular and curved array modifier a lot. It makes our work easy. Thanks for watching the video. If you have any doubts, please comment below, I'll clarify them as fast as I can. Also, don't forget to like the video if you enjoyed watching it and subscribe for more Blender content. Share it with your friends if you want, and take care, keep smiling and bye for now.